Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video, and today I would like to show you how to download ABSA Bank app. So let's get started. You can easily install this app from Play Store as me or from App Store. So let's open up Play Store first of all, and now type in the search box ABSA Bank. Okay, tap here, and now let's download this app. Tap on it and tap on install. So here you can read the description of this bank. ABSA Bank is a commercial bank in South Africa and the flagship bank of ABSA Group. On this page you can read more information about this app. You can read feedback from other people, and also this app has a really good rating, 4.1. It's pretty good. And finally we can open the app and create an account. So tap on open. Allow notifications, start creating an account. So guys, if this video helped you, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.